Imagine everything you see, touch, and experience is just an illusion, a grand, intricate play of light and shadow, where nothing is as it seems. What if this isn't a what if? What if this illusion is the very fabric of our existence? What if you and the universe are not two, but one, an inseparable dance of energy and consciousness? Welcome to the fascinating world of non-dualism, or Advaita Vedanta, a philosophy that has intrigued and inspired countless seekers for centuries. This ancient Indian philosophy challenges our everyday perception of reality. It questions the very nature of our existence. It invites us on a journey beyond the limitations of our senses, beyond the confines of our ego. A journey to discover the ultimate truth. Have you ever woken up from a dream, feeling a sense of relief as you realized it wasn't real? That moment of clarity is profound. Advaita Vedanta suggests that our waking life, too, is a kind of dream. A dream woven by our perceptions and beliefs. We get so caught up in the world around us that we forget our true nature. We lose sight of the deeper reality. But what is that true nature? What lies beyond the veil of illusion? That is the question at the heart of Advaita Vedanta. A question that invites us to explore, to seek, and to ultimately awaken to the Atman, or true self, and Brahman, the ultimate reality. Advaita Vedanta teaches that beneath the surface of our perceived reality lies a singular, unchanging consciousness. This is the ultimate reality that pervades everything. Brahman is not a god in the traditional sense. It's beyond description, beyond form, beyond limitations. Think of the ocean, vast and boundless, encompassing all. Waves crash and recede, seemingly separate and distinct, each with its own unique form and motion. Yet they are all part of the same vast ocean, interconnected and inseparable. Similarly, we are like waves on the ocean of the ultimate reality, individual yet fundamentally one with the whole. The illusion of separation, the belief that we are individual entities separate from each other and the universe, is called Maya. Maya is powerful and pervasive. It creates the drama of our lives with its joys and sorrows, successes and failures, making us forget our true nature. But Maya is not the ultimate truth. It is a temporary illusion. It's a cosmic veil, obscuring our true oneness with Brahman, which is the eternal and unchanging reality. If Brahman is the ocean, then Atma is the drop of water. Atman is our individual consciousness, the I that experiences the world. Advaita Vedanta proclaims a profound truth. Atma is Brahman. Yes, you read that right. The individual self, deep down, is identical to the universal self. There's no separation, no duality. We are not just part of the universe, we are the universe experiencing itself. Imagine a single source of light shining through a prism. The light refracts into a spectrum of colors, each unique and beautiful, but the source of all those colors remains the same. Similarly, our individual consciousness arises from the one source of all consciousness, Brahman. Finding your center in a chaotic world. In today's fast-paced world, stress, anxiety, and a sense of disconnection are rampant. We search for meaning in material possessions, external achievements, and fleeting pleasures. But true fulfillment, according to Advaita Vedanta, lies in realizing our oneness with the universe. When we identify with our limited ego, we experience fear, insecurity, and suffering. But when we connect with our true nature, Atman, we tap into a source of infinite peace, love, and wisdom. Think about it. How can you feel truly alone or insignificant when you realize that you are a part of something much greater than yourself? This realization is not just a philosophical concept, it's a life-changing experience. Enjoying the journey into non-dualism? If you find this fascinating, give it a like, share it with someone who'd appreciate the wisdom, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more content that dives into life's deepest mysteries. Advaita Vedanta in action, from dreams to downloads. The beauty of Advaita Vedanta is that it's not just an abstract philosophy, it's a living reality. It's a way of seeing the world that transforms our everyday experiences into moments of profound insight. We can find glimpses of this oneness in our everyday lives. Remember the dream analogy? Just as in a dream, where the dreamer and the dream are one, our waking life too is a manifestation of a single, unified consciousness. Think of the internet. It's a vast network connecting countless nodes, yet it operates as a single entity. Millions of websites, billions of pieces of information, all interconnected through a single network. Each piece of data, each website, is a part of the whole, contributing to the vast tapestry of information. Similarly, all beings, all things, are interconnected through the web of consciousness that is Brahman. This interconnectedness is not just a philosophical idea, but a tangible reality we can observe in nature and in our interactions. And sometimes, we might even experience a fleeting moment of pure oneness, that sense of complete connection with everything around us. These moments are precious and remind us of our true nature. Maybe it happens during meditation, while listening to music, or even when you're sipping your morning coffee and suddenly, for a brief moment, you feel completely at peace. These experiences are windows into the deeper reality of Advaita Vedanta, showing us that we are never truly separate from the world around us. A journey to oneness. Advaita Vedanta is not a destination, it's a journey. It's a process of self-discovery, of peeling away the layers of illusion to reveal the truth within. This journey might involve meditation, yoga, contemplation, or simply a mindful awareness of our thoughts and actions. It's about recognizing the divine spark within ourselves and in everyone we meet. So if you're ready to explore the nature of reality, to challenge your perceptions, and to embark on a journey of self-realization, Advaita Vedanta offers a profound and liberating path. It's a path that leads not to isolation but to oneness. Oneness with ourselves, with each other, and with the universe itself.